I'm going to show you why it matters so much to think about how you're crossing your straps on your back when you're using a cross strap carrier. As you can see, I'm not really very comfortable. The straps are very, very close to my neck. They're very close to my armpit. They're cutting into the side of my chest, and there's just quite a lot of loose fabric around my baby's head. There's a much better way in which you can be more comfortable and provide a lot of better support for your child. It all involves loosening the straps. Part of the reason I've got here is because I've tightened everything so very much because I'm worried about everything being loose. But the result of that is that I've just shortened the straps so much that everything just feels awfully uncomfortable. So I'm going to loosen everything off while keeping a hand on my baby. So you can now see there's lots of loose slack in the fabric again. And I'm just going to rearrange my straps on my shoulders. Can you see how having the straps wider increases the tension across the upper part of my baby's back as opposed to having them here? And that allows my baby to fall forward into a loose gap, whereas tightening the straps makes everything a lot more snug across here and brings my baby closer into me, which is good for their airway. Now all this loose fabric, these loose straps, I want to try and bring them down as far as I can. Down. Pull out the slack on my shoulder. Can you see how it's nice and snug here? And I'm bringing the loose slack to the buckle down to my waistband upwards, and then I pull this backwards downwards. The buckle is now sitting much lower and is much wider on my shoulder. The same on the other side. Reach for the strap. Bring it down. Nice and flat and wide. Bring the fabric down, up to the buckle and pull backwards. So now you can see my straps are nice and wide on my shoulders. My baby's back is much better supported and is far more comfortable across the sides. And of course, my pelvic attack